Oh, there's the camera. You cheeky girl.
Hey Jacob. Oh, you got your hand in the teller.
He doesn't like things like, you know, if it's on his hands like that, he wants it off his hands.
Oh, okay. That's what you use a spoon for, no, Jacob.
Do you know what he's doing lately? Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
She's like a pig in mud, isn't she?